Hey, welcome to my channel, The Basic Computer Learning. Today we are learning how to make a new folder in your desktop or in your file explorer. So let's start. Or yes, with a shortcut key. We are only here to learn with a shortcut key only. Let's start. Firstly, we press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And see, here is your new folder. You can rename this by with your name. See, I type ABCD for a example, and that's your new folder. Now open Window plus E for File Explorer. This is your File Explorer. Go to the desktop, and there is your folder. You can make there also. Again press Ctrl plus Shift plus N and here's your new folder. You can make thousands of folders like this with a shortcut key. It's a very easier, shorter way. See, what's the shortcut key? Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And here's your next folder. And it's done.